When you are ready to put your reference into your document, whether that's for an essay or for your thesis or for an article you're submitting to a journal, you choose the style, and over here to the right you see the preview. When I look at the list of styles, there are a few here that I've used already, and if I don't see the one I need, I can go to select another style. There are usually about 500 styles built into EndNote, but there are about 5,000 out on EndNote.com. So for example, perhaps I'm hoping to submit this as an article to a journal called French Studies, but I don't see the style in the list here. So what I'm going to do is go to EndNote.com and download that style so that I can use it here in EndNote. So what I need to do first is go into my folders and make sure that I have the folder that I require in order for EndNote to see the style when I download it. The folder that EndNote looks for is a folder called Styles that must sit inside of another folder called EndNote, and that all has to be inside of My Documents. So in the My Documents folder, I'll create a new folder and call it EndNote. And from within that, I will create another called Styles. Notice that these are case sensitive, so it's a capital E and a capital N and a capital S for styles. So now that I have the folder set up, I'm going to go out onto the internet and I'm going to look for the EndNote.com site and try to download the style for my French Studies journal. So I'll just do a Google search on EndNote and go out to the EndNote site. When I get there, I'm looking for the Downloads menu and I'll choose Styles. Now from here, the easiest thing for me to do is just to put in some keywords from the title of my journal. So I will do that. And I can see that there are two journals that are returned, and there's the one I'm after. So I'll download that style. Now what this will do is try to open it using EndNote. I don't want it to do that. I would like to save the file. It will automatically probably go into my Downloads folder. So once it's there, I can go back and find it, and I will just make sure that I can see the Styles folder where it needs to live, and I'll drag it to that location. So now back in EndNote, I'll have to go back into my Choose Another Style, and when I find my list of styles, I should find that I can do that search again, and there's the style I just downloaded. I choose that, and now I can see there is my reference formatted in the correct style for that journal.